Ah, dang it.
Oh, all right. Oh,
So I'm recording for nothing.
give him a friendly shout.
Hey, what's the twist off from last year? Oh my God! I'm sorry.
Hey.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Are you
Texting.
recording people?
No, texting.
No, you're recording people.
I'm texting.
No,
I'm texting.
No,
Nick, I'm texting.
yeah.
I'm texting.
No, you're not.
That's you!
No, shit, I keep on doing it. Yo, that girl's so weird.
I got them.
She's sexy.
No, hey, that girl Lola was sexy, bro.
Hey, Sparling.
Hit him.
Sorry, dude. Sorry, man.
Oh, he's.
No.
Oh, you know that eye touch I was telling you
Hey,
about?
Sparling. What's up? Ah, never mind. Hey. Alright, just making sure. We'll get you over here. I was like, achoo!
From Uganda.
Oh,
What up, man? You get these girls?
Hey,
How you-
I can stay back a little bit.
hello. How you doing?
I remember I
Oh my God! I know.
okay, just making sure,
Change
Oh, I still got Mr. Smith! Oh, yeah.
Oh, they can watch it. They watch this.
Wait, Willie Ill Will. Hey, come here.
Oh, I need to stand back more.
I'm not sure. I know that me and Steve said that with You already knew, man. What the hell? This is dumb now, man. We're walking back and forth. This is stupid now.
No, it's not, dude. I don't know how to do it.
Right here.
That was so easy. That was a water bottle.
Dimitri, move, dog. Trey, watch out, Trey.
What the hell, Shane?
Be quiet.
Yeah. Ew, you
Here again.
Someone take this.
Where's Trevor?
Are we sure got so many people, Shane? God damn. Hey.
I'm just listening to people's reactions, and they're like, "Oh, that's so gross." Like, ew.
Miss Lewis, like, you sicko.
Get chubby. Get chubby.
I'm not.
You don't know me.
Get over here now.
Right, Shane.